Smiley to ore, please?
Okay, right away?
Yeah, stop the tunnel, I guess, and then leave. And that was the wrong call that I had to drop that tunnel, because after you build this res node and ore, I'm going to pull you right back to base. You could have dropped your tunnel then. So there goes my mistake for the whole night. Oh, Wisecrack is the commander.
Nobody's commander. Really?
No,
Actually,
no, we got a commander. We have a
Wisecrack
commander.
is the commander.
Oh, okay.
Ashley, move toward a teammate, please.
I'm here with teammates.
Okay, Gorge to main base.
Right.
Following. I'm Thane. Thane, let's go, Thane.
Yeah, I'm going with Hacks. Go with me.
Okay, let's go. Come on. I would be with my friend, but my friend's kind of like gone. Like they can't join right now because there's too many people everywhere.
Tell him to join the server and spectate, and we'll continue the game soon.
Ow!
He's just
I kind of want to be a
crossroads
Gorge.
lane, or hub lane.
No, do not gorge, Ashley.
Why?
I'll explain later. Do not gorge.
What would you like me to do? Oh, great!
Move toward teammates and try to attack at the exact same moment that they do.
Move towards where?
To an ore.
Teammates. Move toward teammates and try to attack the moment they same attack.
Alright.
Go.
To an ore process.
I bit someone in the butt. Did I do good?
Sure.
They died. Yes.
Work res up.
As you can clearly tell, I've never done this before.
Can't drop this tunnel in as yet.
Alright, we need to go help the Gorge.
Drop the tunnel in server room. We'll move it up to Mez as we're able.
Part of that.
Ashley, you want to be with a teammate?
Got one in platform.
We got one platform.
Platform.
No mess.
Recommend we go hit their base. They're pushing.
Beige is still camping hub.
Gorge, I need you to ore.
Part of that.
Other way. Oh, you're tunneling. Forgive me.
They're
Oh, yeah.
holding lanes really well.
Once ore is built,
So
save it for
Ashley,
high.
Ashley, you need to use shift to walk around quietly so the Marines don't hear you.
Right.
Hold shift when you move, and you can sneak.
Right.
One in platform.
I gotta leave ore.
Yeah.
Sorry. I failed.
Alright, resist on plat.
Ore is ready, Gorge. Copy resist on plat.
He's, Venomous is going lurk. What should I do? I was following Venomous around. Yes. Why are we-
Just fall
wait,
around
wait,
another
wait,
scope.
Why are people saying concede?
Well, partly because we've got a new player on the team, so we're competitively weak. Partly because they have 5 or 6 res nodes to our 3 res nodes. Partly because our life forms are going to come slowly because of the economy being there. There's lots of reasons.
Sorry. I
No,
am
No,
the newbie.
it's not your fault, man.
Of
It's
noob-
not your fault. This game takes a long time to learn.
Yeah, you're doing exactly what you should be doing right now. Just keep asking
Just
questions,
soak
keep
it all
moving
in.
toward teammates, and it'll be fine.
Platform
Platform.
again. You just scanned server.
Quit apologizing for stuff. Okay, there's gonna be a hive now, server.
On my way.
Two in repair.
Top tire just went up. Gate. Gate and hub. Three Marines.
Phase gate, hub. The other
It's not
side hasn't
connected.
been built yet.
Holy fuck.
Ashley, are you there?
Have we voice checked Gorgon? Gorgon?
No, I have not.
File if you're able, Commander.
So
Gorgon?
Ashley, okay.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, I have a mic.
Thanks.
I'll let the AFK timer deal with Ashley.
Comes up. Platform going down.
Again. Multiple server. Free server.
Problems in server?
Ooh, server back. Reset server.
More server.
Never mind.
Or needs help. Or needs help with our
Just get
resume.
warehouse.
Leave mezzanine alone. Go to Or.
Server 2.
Server.
One more server platform. Server clear. Start going ink.
Reor. They're putting mines everywhere. Cubehead, can you hear voice phone? Cubehead, let us know you can hear us so you can stay and play. Alright, thank you.